The world needs better energy solutions. And it's time to make a change. Introducing the EternaGreen Battery, the future of power. Environmentally safe, human-friendly, and built to last. Whether you're powering your car, truck, boat, or solar system, the EternaGreen is up to the task. With an incredible 35-year lifespan, EternaGreen gives you power you can trust, day after day, year after year. And when it's time for maintenance? No problem. Every part of the EternaGreen is replaceable by you, the owner, with parts available for the lifetime of the battery. It's just as powerful as any other battery on the market, but with none of the drawbacks. A reasonable price, lasting power, and a battery that's better for the planet. And when the time comes to replace it? EternaGreen is fully recyclable, reducing waste and helping protect our planet for years to come. Save money over time. Save the environment. It's time for a better battery. The EternaGreen, powering your world, the green way. Join the movement. Choose EternaGreen today.